How many times does a cup 3 over 10 liters hold a container of 15 liters? Now, there's a key word for us to note here, which I have also explained in my previous lessons. How many times? Whenever you hear how many times, that's simply interpret division, because this simply can be interpreted as how many times can you count this in this? That is, how many of this cup can you take out from these liters? So we go straight to the point by saying, interpreting simply as how many 3 over 10 is in 15 liters. Now, this interpretation is not mathematical, so we still have to express it as a mathematical term. But then you should understand it simpler this way, easier this way. How many 3 over 10 is in 15 liters? That means how many of this is in this? So mathematically, that will mean that 15 divided by 3 over 10, because that's what how many simply means. It's just like saying how many 2 is in 6, how many 2 is in 5. So how many of this is in this? So that is 15 divided by 3 over 10. Now, like I did in the previous video, we first of all have to do some things here. We rationalize this 15 by turning it into fractions, so it will become 15 over 1. And then this divide we change to times. Now this divide turning to times, we condition this fraction here to invert. Invert means the denominator will become the numerator, while the numerator will become the denominator. So we are going to have 10 over 3. Let's go on operating on it. So to operate on it with these times, we first of all look across what can divide. 3 and 15 has a common factor. That means they have a number that can divide both of them. So the common factor of 15 and 3 is 3 itself. So 3 in 3 will give us 1. 3 in 15 will give us 5. And let's look at 10 and 1. Nothing can divide 10 and 1. So we just simply multiply the rest of the number, which is 5 times 10 in the numerator, and that gives us 50 over, and then 1 times 1 in the denominator, and that gives us what? 1. Now 50 divided by 1, like I have told you before, any number divided by 1 gives you the same number. So 50 divided by 1 will be what? 50. So going back to the question which says that how many times does this can hold in this? So it can be held in 50 times.